With the heat of descent, I feel my heart burning in the never-ending hell. Finding forgiveness till I see your smile again. All the blame hurts me, drives me crazy. Now I'm the monster that you think I am. Please come down while our hand touch, and to give me back my heart.